How is your day going so far? I'm Yevhen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to service a Maytag appliance. The company received a service call from the old Tuxedo area to service a Maytag dryer that was running but not drying clothes at all. The first thing I noticed when I started diagnosing was the filter, which had clearly not been cleaned for at least 3 drying cycles. It's very important to clean the filter after each drying cycle to prevent lint from getting inside the dryer. A large amount of lint can block the air duct and make the dryer less efficient. And although in most cases the temperature sensor should break and block further operation of the dryer, in my practice there was a case where I repaired the dryer after the lint inside caught fire. Link to the video in the description. Regularly cleaning the filter of the dryer will significantly extend the service life until the first breakdown. I proceed to disassemble the dryer. I unscrew 2 screws and, moving the front cover clamps, lift it up. Gaining access to the internal screws of the front panel, I unscrew them and disconnect the door switch terminal. I remove the front panel, disconnect the temperature sensor terminal, remove the belt from the engine pulley and take the drum out of the housing. Having gained access to the engine tensioner and rollers, I checked their parameters. They are normal. I use a vacuum cleaner to clean all the elements of lint. To my surprise, there is practically none. It looks like someone recently cleaned the inside of the dryer of lint. I assemble the dryer in the reserve order and proceed to inspect the back of the dryer where the sensor, heating element and impeller are located. Gotcha. After disconnecting the then corrugated pipe from the dryer, I found a large blockage of lint in the air duct. This discovery gives me the right to assume the main reason why the dryer stopped drying clothes. I continue the inspection and disassemble the back cover of the dryer, gain access to the sensors, heating element and impeller. I check the parameters of all elements. They are normal. The next step is to clean the entire ventilation line. Done. I assemble the dryer and air duct. I start the dryer and check it in different drying modes. Success! The Maytag dryer works on all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Maytag dryer or any other appliances, leave a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.